Hey guys, today I'm going to do this Logitech webcam review, unboxing, and first of all, I've gotten the open part because I was struggling before to open this. So it's a C922 Pro HD Stream webcam. It's supposed to come with a stand that goes underneath the camera that sits on your desk. And yeah, let's start unboxing it. I'm going to turn the camera around so hopefully you guys can see it. Alright, let's get into this. So, it looks like there are instructions on how to open the box, but I could be wrong. Alright, so we're meted with a nice camera in there. I know I'm doing this outside, but okay, let's try and get this stuff out of there. It's not coming out very easily. Alright, now we've got an empty box. Don't know if you can see in there or not, but yeah, it's empty. Okay, so we've got our camera. It does look nice and compact. It does look like it has a stand that sits on top of your monitor. I will do the inside. I will do it so when I'm inside I will have my face out on recording. So yeah, there's that. Okay, just trying to get this plastic off so we can unfold the bottom part here, which I think it unfolds. Yes, it unfolds to wrap over your monitor. What's this thing here? There's more plasticky bits. Oh, so that should sit over your monitor, and from behind sit like that, and then you can angle it down or up if need be. We've got a little screw thing in there for our stand that it comes with. Our stand's here. Let me try and get this cord out of the box. Cord in the box. Ah, yes. Alright, so the box basically held that cord in there very well. There's our camera. Does it have like a slidey thing to block the camera? Some people like that. I don't think it does. I think we might just have to, if you want to block off this camera, you're going to have to do it manually. Okay, so here's our stand. Get it out of the plastic. Plastic's safe so it doesn't blow away in the wind. It's pretty windy today. Okay, so we've got 3 legs. Oh, yes. So it just stands like that. Underneath here is a screw. I'm guessing that this can be tightened. Let's screw our camera in there, and then we can see it standing up by itself. Oh, maybe I don't screw this part. Hang on. Do I twist the camera around it? Probably twist the camera around it. I don't actually know. I'm probably doing it wrong. Let me know in the comments if I'm doing it wrong. Have one of these. Okay, so stand in the grass, which is pretty good. We're not going to use it in the grass, we're going to use it inside. So that little thing tightens it up really well. And bam, it's standing on the grass. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, it's standing on the grass. I'm going to put it over there. Yeah, so that's the Logitech C922. I will be plugging it in. I might add it to the end of this video. We'll do some magic. And bam, like that, we're inside. So let me know how you guys feel about this video camera. Obviously it's not the clearest thing in the world. Let me just go and turn on the light. Bam, and we're got the light on. Obviously it's better with the light on. I can turn off all the lights and just have the monitor displaying my face, and you can see it. Actually, it's pretty clear for a dark camera. Hang on, let me just do that. See, you can still see me pretty clearly. So if you want to play a dark game in a dark room or something, it is daytime outside. I have a blocking thing over there. Let in some natural light because I'm that kind of person. So yeah, if you want to play in a dark room at night time, you can, because the monitor brightness should be bright enough to light up your face for this camera to pick it up, which is pretty impressive, I think. But yes, enough about talking about the camera quality. I want to go and talk about the microphone quality. So we're going to switch to that in a second. So let's just switch to that in 3, 2, 1. Bam. Okay. We should be on the webcam now, so I don't know how the webcam sounds. We're going to hear it for the first time together. So you guys can comment down below if you reckon the webcam mic sounds alright or not. But we're going to find out, because it's going to be in here. So right now I am going to go and change back to the headset mic in 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're back on the headset microphone. So this was really easy to install. So like, you plug it in and just restart your computer and it should just load up. Like, simple as that. I was like, that is really easy to use. Like, you didn't have to do anything else. I will recommend you though to download the Logitech G Hub software. The Logitech G Hub software has a lot of add-ons for this. You can make it look clearer, you can make it look darker, you can make it look brighter, it's got autofocus and stuff. You can adjust lots of different things. You can adjust the exposure to make it brighter for if you're playing in the dark, or you can leave the exposure on auto. Mine is on auto at the moment, so you know, it does pretty good. So if you like this video, give us a big old thumbs up, and if you didn't like this video, give us a big old thumbs down. And I'll also get you to like and subscribe to see more content like this. I don't usually do unboxings and stuff, but I want to do more videos like this, just so I've got some other sort of content on my channel that isn't just all gaming. I am normally a gaming channel, but I will be doing more content like this in the future. So if you like this sort of thing, subscribe and hit the bell notification. Alright guys, peace out. You have a great day, and I will see you next time. Have a good one.
Hello guys, it's BuddyMate here. If you have any questions, leave us a comment. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. If you hated it, give us a thumbs down. And subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.